I have literally never looked uglier. What is going on with my hair? Like right now it looks greasy, pulled back, very orange. It only gets worse when I put it down. And keep in mind I also haven't like literally done anything to my hair, washed my hair in like 4 days, and it is just stringy. Are you kidding me? Like, this is not okay. I actually, the other day, I didn't film it, but I chopped off, okay, so obviously I have to brush it still, but my hair was like down to here, and I just decided, yeah, let me chop it. So I chopped it to here. I tried giving myself like little piecey layers, and that just kind of turned me into a spiral of I'm over this pink hair. I keep Pinteresting all these hairs, and I just really want to be, oh my gosh, look, it's a puppy right here, but I just want to be blonde. Okay, I am over this pink. That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna attempt to do it. Who knows if we're gonna even succeed, okay? But I just figured let's redo our roots. We might do a little bleach wash, but anyways, let's go to the bathroom so I can show you the products and we can just get this video started because I'm just not okay right now. As always, I get everything from Sally's. This is the bleach we're gonna use, the violet, and then we will be using 30 volume. I haven't used 40 in a while, so I thought about doing it. A lot of hairdressers are going to tell you do not use 40 on your scalp. Sometimes when your hair is this dark, you know, it's necessary, but I'm not going to tell you what to do, Janice, okay? That is up to your hair. These are the two that I've used for years and years, and then we will be using this little concoction. I will link everything down below. This I'll show you later when we tone, so that's irrelevant. So yeah, let's section our hair off. All right, first things first, separate my hair, okay? If you've watched my bleaching videos before, you'll know I do this technique where I do half and half, just because this is kind of my way of making sure everything comes out even, because I bleach my head like a snail. So obviously if I'm like starting to bleach, you know, the top, or if I'm starting to bleach the bottom, it's gonna start sitting longer, and then that's where damage is gonna start to happen, because by the time I get to the other side, or if I get, you know, to the top bottom, depending like how you go, it's gonna, one side is gonna be sitting like literally 20 minutes longer than the other, and then it's just gonna be uneven. I hope that made sense. And you can do it vice versa, where you can do like, you know, half of the top of your head, bleach that first, and then do the bottom. Just honestly, whichever's easier for you. I just do it this way, and I use a tin foil just to ensure that, you know, when I start flipping it over, it doesn't start touching. For the mixture, I just do half and half. Again, I'm not a hairdresser. Never went to school for it, literally just experience from doing my own hair. I honestly eyeball it just because I've done it so many times at this point that I kind of know exactly how much mixture I know I need for half of my head. We're gonna use 30 volume, just pour her in there. Nice. The key that I always look for is not too liquidy, okay? And then also not too runny. And I just realized I don't want to ruin this shirt, so let me be right back. I need to go put on my fancy bleaching shirt that I ruined already. Okay, here's the shirt I wear in literally every single video I do. As we can see, I ruined it. So now it's just been deemed my bleaching shirt. So when it starts to look kind of goopy, you know, a little bit runny, that's what I look for. Now we literally are just applying, okay? That's all there is to it. No games, nothing. It's literally it. And I just flip and obviously paint the other side. 'Cause I get so tired of losing you. What's on your mind? It's so confusing. And then for the back, a lot of people will actually stand with the mirror behind them so they can really see. I just use this little handheld mirror, and I literally get some bleach. Obviously there's a mirror in front of me right now, and then I have this back, and I just reach it by literally going like this so I can see exactly everything. And at first it might feel a little bit uncomfortable if it's your first time doing it. It might feel awkward, but you just get used to it. Can we just talk about how already like 10 times better it looks? There's just like something about this because I didn't dye my hair, you know, hot pink the last time I dyed it. So it just turned it orange. Not cute. Like, I am just already feeling better. Okay, because when your hair looks like shit, you feel like shit. And as you can see, like, only a little bit of the blonde peeks through. It's not that big of a deal. I usually just, like, you know, bleach around it. I am now out of the shower and I am, like, I do have some bleach on just some spots that are a little bit dark, but I want to bleach wash my hair. And I noticed that I don't have enough bleach. This is literally all I have, and I've bleach washed my hair before and I literally have no idea. I can't find that video of where I did it, so I'm unsure of what I used. So I just have this random ratio. Again, I don't have enough bleach. It calls for 40 grams of bleach and I only have 28, but I have like half of this packet. So we're literally gonna eyeball everything. I'm gonna put the correct measurement up on the screen of what I can remember what I did originally, and then if I can find that video, I'm gonna do that too. But pretty much I'm gonna dunk literally the rest of the bleach in here. Do not copy anything I'm doing, okay? This will be a recipe for disaster if you do anything I'm doing, because I'm simply oh my god, I'm not gonna measure anything. I'm gonna take this 20 developer, literally we're dunking it just in there. Now we're gonna need to do some water. Hairdressers, you better be warned. I just need it. I'm not expecting the whole entire pink to come off. I'm just not. I will be using just Head and Shoulders shampoo, this one, because I feel like this is really good when it comes to doing all of that. Look at how watery this is. I don't think it's supposed to be this watery, so I'm literally just gonna paint it on my hair and kind of eyeball it. So I will see you guys when I'm done. I am now out of the shower and we're still pink, but I can tell you that a lot of it actually did fade, but I feel like when your hair is wet, everything just looks more intense than it actually is. The toner I'm going to be using is the Wella T35 Beige Blonde Toner, and I will be mixing it with the Wella 20 Developer. Now you're supposed to mix 1 part this, 2 parts this. Toner works better if your hair is a little bit damp, just because I feel like it distributes more evenly than if you just do it on straight up dry ass hair. Okay, let's see. Ooh, perfect. Oh my god, I got it literally at exactly the line I needed it to be. Again, half of this. We did more than half. Oops. And you do want to leave this on your hair for about 30-ish minutes, I guess. So let's get her done. Can't turn back now. I feel like we should just dunk the rest of the stuff in here. We're just gonna go balls to the wall and use the entire thing. All right, I'm not sure why I'm looking so blue right now, but this is the final result. Hopefully you guys can see that. I mean, you could obviously see it, but hopefully the lighting is showing up, because I don't know why it's looking so blue. I'm literally like right in front of my ring light. Let me set you guys up on a tripod actually so I could explain. Hopefully that's a little better, but can I just say how obsessed I am with the way my hair turned out? Again, the color is like slightly off in person. Definitely like when I look in the mirror, again, it's a little bit more lighter. I forgot how much I actually like to have natural hair, and I know this isn't natural, but I'm so used to like more vibrant colors for like the past year, and ever since I honestly got my lip injections, I haven't seen what I looked like with kind of like normal hair. So I'm really excited to finally like start the blonde process. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but like right here it's definitely like a grayish blonde, especially in person. Like I promise you, just take my word on it, this was the only way I feel like I could start it without completely damaging my hair, because of course I could have bleach washed it, like did it properly, or went and got a color corrector. But if you guys have watched my hair videos long enough, you know that literally, and I've tried probably every method, vitamin C method, freaking baking soda, random color correctors from the store. I have tried it literally all. Even though some may work a little bit, it sadly just does not permanently come out of my hair. This past time that I dyed my hair pink, I actually dyed it like a more lighter pink, so it would fade more easily than when I did it hot pink. And now I'm gonna start to actually bleach the roots, because obviously next time when I bleach my hair, it's just gonna keep going down, 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 and hopefully eventually with washes this is gonna fade. But honestly, again, I don't mind this. Like, I actually like this. I feel like it's a good way for me to like ease off of the color, because I feel like if I went for from having color for so long and then just completely going blonde. I would kind of miss the color, so I like still being able to have this. But yeah, I'm blabbering way too much. Here's like another little look at it again. Pieces are choppy, as you know. I cut my hair, and also, I'm not gonna lie, I had some martinis and started dancing by myself and making TikToks because I'm a freaking loser. So my hair, I didn't even try to brush it because I was like going wild with my hair. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.